In this video lecture, we will see how the ambiguity occurred in multipath inheritance can be overcome, and using two methods basically this ambiguity can be removed. One is using scope resolution operator and another using virtual base class. So in the previous video lecture, while discussing about multipath inheritance, we have seen the use of scope resolution operator, and here in this example also it has been described using object dot class name with scope resolution operator. We can access a particular data which is inherited from a particular class. Similarly, here in the second statement also, the value of A, which is 100, is inherited from class C, and here the value of A is inherited from class B. So by using scope resolution operator with particular class name, we can remove this ambiguity. Manually we can remove this ambiguity and we can specify the path from which the data member can be accessed. Second method is using virtual base class. So virtual base class, to avoid the ambiguity, we can use virtual base class. So the keyword virtual will be prefixed or it can be postfix before or after the visibility mode or the derivation type. So the syntax will be like this: if class B is inherited publicly from A, we can specify virtual public A. Similarly, if class C is inherited from class A publicly, we can also mention the virtual keyword like this, public virtual A. So we can write public virtual or virtual public, it does not matter. Virtual can be written before or after the derivation type public, and here now one copy of the data or function will be received, and this particular class become virtual. So this kind of inheritance, let's say A, B, C and D. So this is a diamond inheritance or multipath inheritance. Here we are making this path as virtual, so only one copy of the data or member function will be copied, and the derived class will receive single data or function, not multiple data or function. So we will discuss one example how using virtual base class the ambiguity can be removed. So in this example, as we can see the data member of class A as taken as a public integer A. Similarly, for class B, public B, for class C, public integer C, and for class D, public integer D has been taken. And here class A are inherited twice to class D. Class A value are inherited twice to class D through class B and through class C. So it may create ambiguity, and this ambiguity can be removed by specifying the keyword virtual in their path so that they will not inherit multiple data. Single copy of data can be inherited, and here after executing the program it will display the output as A equal to 100, B equal to 20, C equal to 30 and D equal to 40. So here, as we have mentioned the virtual class, or we have made the class B and class C as virtual, single copy of the data will be inherited to the subsequent classes D or the derived class D. So this is the example how this ambiguity problem basically occurs in multipath inheritance is overcome. Thank you.